Why is my refrigerator freezing on the refrigerator side? And this is for a Frigidaire side by side, but in pretty much all refrigerators, it's going to be the same issue. Either the damper motor is staying open or it's going to be a thermostat. For the most part in the Frigidaire side by side, it's a damper issue. On a lot of the models, a lot of them will have a display up at the top, and it'll have if the temperature is out of whack on the freezer side or the refrigerator side, it may blink H1, for either the freezer or the fridge or for both. But that's only if the damper is stuck closed. However, if the damper is open, you won't get any indication. Things will just be frozen up at the top. Other issues may occur, like your water dispenser will stop working. There will be no ice because the water filter, which is up at the top right hand side, the water in that will also have frozen and it's not circulating. So let's check this out. So I'm removing this panel. If you haven't collected that screw all the way in the back, make sure you get that as soon as possible, because once the panel comes down, it can fall in the back, fall all the way down to the bottom, fall inside of a bin. You know how I know that? So if you don't get it all out at one time, just when you tilt the panel over, make sure you keep your hand in the back to try to collect that screw, in the back. The panel is light, but it just can be a little cumbersome. Coupling that you have there has two tabs. Just press it and pull it out, and you also have a sensor there that you can just use your thumb and take that loose as well, and then the whole damper panel will come out. The whole control panel will come out. All right, we got the panel out, and as you can see, that damper door is open, and that is our issue. Pretty much the control thermostat should tell it when to close and when to open depending on the temperature, but sometimes that motor will fail, and that's what causes the problem on these particular machines, and they fail quite often. I don't know if that's just a Frigidaire issue. They have different types of models. Maybe I'll put up another video detailing the other type that they have as well. But that little silver cylinder there that you see there, that is the motor, and that's usually what stops working, and it'll start clicking, or it may make noise where either that damper door there will either stay open or it will stay closed. If it's open, your whole refrigerator becomes a freezer, and if it remains closed, you'll find that your freezer will work, but then your refrigerator portion will be warm, and then that's when you'll get the error code, the H1 error code. So removing it's pretty easy. Just take a flat blade screwdriver, wedge it in between the plastic, and it will come right out. It's only attached through adhesives. Then you can disconnect it. It has a power connector and also a ground cable. Disconnect that. The little cylinder thing there, that is the freezer thermostat, so make sure you get that back, put it back into the groove, and you can put the tape back on it, or you can adhere some new tape to it as well. And you just take a new one. It has adhesives on the front. Take those off pretty much at the end. Go ahead and connect the power cable and your ground cable. Hook those in. Reattach the freezer thermostat. Put the tape back on. Take the adhesives off the front and push it right back in, and pretty much the replacement is done. All you would have to do after that is just put everything back the same way you took it out. Go ahead and hook up the yellow and red sensor first. Then lift up the panel. Make sure that that freezer thermostat is properly seated inside of the slot near the back. Also make sure the base of that damper assembly in the back is also properly seated. If it's not, then that long screw will not fit and it will not adhere to the side of the refrigerator, and it'll just be hanging there, and air will be coming through there, and you'll be right back in the same position that you were. Once that's done, replace the other screws, screw in the light bulb, reset the control board by holding that bottom arrow for about 3 seconds, reset it the way you want it, and you're back in business. Thanks for watching.